I just popped on real quick to show you a very quick card and a brand new die. It is a A2 layout die, so it fits perfectly on an A2 card, and it's a set of 3. And if it looks familiar, that's because it is very similar to our Skinny Jim Slimline die. We took this same concept and shrunk it down to fit an A2 size card base. So I think this is a lot of fun. It's got a nice stitched edge, a little lacy type of look with the scallop, and then you've got a tray for an added little feature. So I'm going to make a card real quick and you enjoy. Okay, watch.